Today we're going to show you the functionality of the tailgate on the Voth dump bodies. Okay, the design of the tailgate, the way it's designed, we use 3/16" thick aluminum inner wall and outer wall to support the strengths of if you're dumping and there happens to be a heavy object that hits the tailgate so it doesn't deform. So it's inner gate, inner shell, outer shell, 3/16 aluminum, marine quality grade. Over here, we have removable inspection panels. Because of this quick release, you have mechanical function parts in there. They have a recessed grease fitting in here. Under normal maintenance and greasing, the unit should never be seizing up. But in the event that people don't, we provide the removable inspection plate that if it does seize up, you can open it up and do your proper repairs. We have optional, you have a gravel chute for dumping into wheelbarrows and containers and stuff like that. That is an option. We have a unique single lever upper tailgate release. So for opening the tailgate like this, to when there's built-in chains so you can set the level of where you want the tailgate at. It's a spring-loaded lever. It automatically locks itself up. The chains down here are to go in here if you're going to be spreading gravel at a certain thickness while you're driving. That's what the purpose is of these chains. They go in there and you can adjust it to any level that you want. And we're going to go to the front and show you where the front release is. This lever here is got the safety latch, but it's release opens, and that allows you to open the bottom of the tailgate up for spreading and dumping as well. Okay, our tailgate dump release mechanical setups are here underneath. You have a 1-inch solid shaft that runs completely from one side of the body to the other side. That shaft runs on 5 actual greasable bearings, so it will never seize up if the customer end user uses the grease. At each end of the shaft, there is an adjustable linkage to loosen or tighten the grip of your tailgate closure, which are also equipped with grease fittings on it as well. So you have a total of 5 bearings, 2 greasable adjustable linkages to open and close the bottom part of your dumping tailgate. An extra option that we build in is right in the middle here. You'll see 2 ears coming off the shaft. Those are provisions built in the event the customer wants to use an air-operated tailgate release. The mounting hardware is all installed and it's standard on all Voth dump bodies that, again, when we manufacture them, we make the provisions to go either manual or air trip tailgate. So those are options that are standard on every body that comes out of the plant. Well, and you close it back up, put your safety latch back on.